Are you ready to launch a career in HVAC, but need flexibility to make it happen? Our fully remote HVAC technician program is here for you. With self-paced e-learning content, you're in control. Learn anywhere, anytime at a schedule that works for you. Many of our students are able to complete what would take nearly a year at a traditional program and complete in a few short weeks. Experience cutting-edge 3D virtual reality simulations that let you practice real-world scenarios without leaving home. You'll be fully prepared to earn industry-recognized credentials, including the NATE Ready to Work, EPA 608 Universal Certification, and OSHA 10 Certificate. This combination are the skills that employers are looking for and will be valuable as you enter the field. The future of HVAC training is here, and it's fully remote. Contact us to get started.